Red ball kicks it off. There's one man, and ball will run away to the goalkeeper's side. There's a chance, and he lands that into the D. There's man, and he beats everybody. Good defending there. Actually, there was Hilda defending. The defender showing their magic, and he kicks it off and saves it. What's happening up here? It was a close call, and now he gets it. Kenny gets it, and just away. It was just a fraction of time. He gets the ball and move ahead. So we're seeing some actioning things happening in the ground as this simplifies the venue here at the side. And such a beautiful venue as it often takes it. It often gets it there. He gets it kick and misses that one, crosses the line once again. Niketan got the ball. They want to make sure it's a corner call, and how good they can make straight into the hands of goalkeeper. Nobody was there in between. It was that player who passed and goalkeeper. And that pass was so good, so easy. Beautifully passed. And he's got the man. Can he find the man? And that's gone away as well. And that it requires in a game, that awareness. That is very important in the game. That you need to be aware you're playing against which teams, you're playing against which players. How you have to save. You not only have to score a goal, you have to save. And there it is. Has he picked that up? Oh, beautifully there. By Vidya Niketan, Birla Public School. They're onto the pathways. Can they score the goal? Is there a chance? And save. What a brilliant save by the goalkeepers. Almost every kid's nerves, high palpitating nerves, stretching up him. The wall, acting like a ball, never easy to break. Goalkeeper's doing a good job there. Goalkeeper is running and he kicks it off to the other end and somehow manages to clear it in a right time. He gets a header, an easy take. The second half is so interesting from both the sides. Now both are playing an attacking game. They're taking on this game by several shots. Quickly gets the ball into his action. The Vidya Niketan looking out. Can he kicks it? Kicks it. An easy way, a good pass there by Vidya Niketan. And he falls down. Was there an effort that requires from his end? The Sean beating both defenders. That could have been a choice. That could have been easy. Ball back into that action. Birla Public School. He gets the ball. Is there a move? Is there that chance? Is there? He gets back to his teammates. Scores there. Oh, just I wonder, he was inside that line but was far away from the line. Otherwise that would be a goal. But somehow they have to put the ball in the D section in that zone. But somehow the Vidya Niketan getting the ball, not allowing them to do so. A good work again by